Welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to see recently deleted apps on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. From here, tap Manage Apps and Device. Next, tap the Manage tab at the top of the screen. Now tap on this device or installed button, which will open a filter menu. Select Not Installed from this menu to show the apps that are no longer in your device. This list will display all the apps you have previously installed using your Google account, including the ones you recently deleted through sorting. You can scroll through and look for the app you want to reinstall. If you want to reinstall it, simply tap the app and hit install. If you want to see the date when an app was removed, you can use third-party apps like App Usage or System Monitor from the Google Play Store. These apps help track your app usage history, including the dates when apps were uninstalled. Just install the app and it will give you more detailed information about when you removed specific apps. If you are looking for system apps that may have been disabled but not fully uninstalled, go to Settings, tap Apps, and then you will see an option for disabled apps. These are system apps that have been deactivated but not completely removed. Lastly, if you are using a custom launcher like Nova Launcher or something else, some launchers have built-in activity logs that track recently deleted apps. Open your launcher settings and check for this feature. And that's it. We have now learned how to see recently deleted apps on your Android phone. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials. Thank you so much.